The big bug beats the little beetle, but the little beetle beat the big bug
back.
Okay, I got it. The big bug beat the little beetle, but the little beetle beat the big bug back.
The
big bug beat the little beetle, but the little beetle beat the big bug back. Yo.
I keep a photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told.
Hello guys. Hi guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
D and E.
Yeah, Daodu and Esther.
So yeah, welcome back to Daodu and Esther channel. This is another video bringing out another game to you guys today. We're coming in live from Japan, hitting you guys with a new game. Sit tight, grab your popcorns and enjoy our video.
Yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and trust me, I'm actually scared of today's video because
we're about to open our lash on live TV. But to be sincere, yeah, we just want to do tongue twisting
tongue
today.
twist, yeah.
Yeah, want to do want to turn our tongue, want to twist our tongues, like. So today we are doing tongue twisting, and we'll just go straight into it. Like no time wasting, right? Yeah. So okay, Team Daodu as usual. Team Daodu.
Team Esther, guys, let's go.
Okay, so go straight. Don't worry, so we'll just pick one and we'll just try. Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches? So you have to say it faster.
And go.
Okay. Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches?
Okay. Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches?
What's that?
I swear, babe, it's difficult. Okay, I'll calm down to say it. Okay, guys.
Take a deep breath. Okay, go.
Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches? Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches?
Don't let your teeth come out, though. Don't bring out your teeth.
I'm going to say this.
Say something like, which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches?
Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches? Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches? Stop. Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches? Okay.
So you have to say next is unique New York. So you say it 10 times.
10 times.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Unique
okay.
New York. Unique New York.
Union, baby. Yeah. Okay.
Unique New York. Unique New York. Unique New York. Unique New York.
Unique New York.
Why did you stop me?
Continue.
Unique
Fine.
Unique New York. 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 Unique New York.
I swear. I don't know what you're saying. New York, baby. Say New York. Let's see how mine will be.
Okay, go. Hit me.
Let's see how mine will be.
I'd say I believe in you. I strongly do believe in you. I know you can do it. You just have to pick it from that place in your heart, yeah. If you say you can do it, yeah, you can do it, baby.
Motivational speaker.
I believe you can do it, yeah. Okay.
Okay, let's go. Unique New York. Unique New York. Unique New York. Unique New York. Unique.
Gyunyu. In Japan, milk means gyunyu. She said gyunyu.
Wait. Unique New York. 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 Unique New York.
Unique New York. Unique New York.
I said unique New York. Unique New York.
Okay, you got it. We'll give you that. Easy.
One.
It can anything that he can, but it can't it can. Can he?
He can't.
She said he can't. Okay. That was actually crazy. She said he can't. Okay, listen, let's go. It can anything he can. Sorry. It can anything that he can, but it can he?
Jeez.
It can anything that he can, but it can he? See, I got that. You see, I got that. Your turn.
Okay. A canna can anything that he can, but a canna can't. A can eat. Okay, I'll try faster. Yeah.
You did it. Okay, go next. Try again.
A canna can anything that he can, but a canna can. But a canna can he?
See, why did you take a pause there? You have to go faster. A canna can anything that he can, but a canna can he?
Oh my god.
See, that was dope. A proper cup of coffee from a copper coffee pot.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Let me try.
But I'll still try again, but try.
A proper cup of coffee from a copper coffee pot. A proper cup of coffee from a... One more. A proper cup of coffee from a copper coffee pot. Pot. What was that? Pot. A proper cup of coffee from a copper coffee pot. A proper cup of coffee from a copper coffee pot.
A proper cup of coffee from a copper pot.
Popcorn.
A proper cup of coffee from a copper coffee pot. I did it. A proper cup of coffee from a copper coffee pot. I did it. She just
Okay,
like
next
that.
one.
Stop here.
Okay. She sells seashells on the seashells. The shells she sells are seashells.
I'm sure.
Let me try faster. She sells seashells on the seashore. The shells she sells are seashells. I'm sure.
I think it is. She sells the seashells on the seashore. The shells she sells are shells the seashore.
Yeah, sweet sensation.
I didn't say she sensation, Joe. I didn't say she sensation, Joe. Let's try.
Next one.
Okay. So this one I'm the winner, right?
There's no winner for this game, babe. We're both trying hard here. It's difficult. Jeez, guys, no winner.
Title is Two Witches. So if two witches were watching two watches, which witch would watch which watch?
What's that?
If two witches were watching two watches, which witch would watch which watch? Okay, yeah. If two witches were watching two watches, which witch would watch which watch?
What are you saying?
Something. If two witches were watching two watches, which witch would watch which watch?
Okay, let me try. If two witches were watching two watches, which witch would what? One more. If two witches were watching two watches, which witch would watch which watch? If two witches were watching two watches, which witch would watch which watch? I got
Two witches were watching two watches, which witch would watch which watch?
Okay, next one, another one. If two witches are watching two watches, which witch would watch
in the kitchen. Okay, this is easy. This sounds easy. Kitty cuts the kitten in the kitchen.
Okay, Kitty cut the kitten. I wasn't reading it, so
you were trying to show off. Everything backfired.
Okay, Kitty cut the kitten in the kitchen. Kitty cut the kitten in the kitchen.
Say it 10 times. 5 times. I said 5 times.
Kitty cut the kitten. Kitty cut the kitten in the kitchen. Kitty cut the kitten in the kitchen. Kitty cut the kitten in the
Kitty cut the kitchen.
The kitten in the kitchen. Kitty cut the kitten in the kitchen.
Kitty cut the kitten in the kitchen. Kitty cut the kitten in the kitchen. Kitty cut the kitten in the kitchen. Kitty cut the kitten in the kitchen. Kitty cut the kitten in the kitchen. Kitty cut the kitten in the kitchen. I got it. 5. That's 5. Let's 5.
I got it too. Next
one.
I got it too.
Kitty cut the kitten in the kitchen. Kitty cut the kitten in the kitchen. Kitty cut the kitchen. The big bug beat the little beetle, but the little beetle beat the big bug back.
Okay. The big bug beat the little beetle, but the little beetle beat the big bug back. Okay, I got it. The big bug beat the little beetle, but the little beetle beat the big bug back. The big bug beat the little beetle, but the little beetle beat the big bug back. Yo.
Okay. The big.
Okay, let's go.
Go. Give me the beat. The big butt beat the little bit, but the little bit beat the big butt back.
What did you just say? What did you just say?
Just give my freestyle. That's my freestyle. See, don't look down my rap. I'm coming out very soon with my rapping, like my rapping skills. I'm coming out.
Okay.
Don't try to do that. I can think of 16 things.
This is the last one, guys.
Okay.
I can think of 16 things, but I can think of 6 thick things too.
Yeah, go. Hit me.
Okay, I can think of 16 things, but I can think of 6 thick things too. I can think of 6 thick.
I can think of 16 things, but I can also think of 16 things.
What did you say?
So you need to add some British English to it,
No,
yeah?
we want to hear.
You need to add some British English to it, yeah? I can
We
think
want
of
to
16
hear.
things, but I can also think of 16 things too. So you have to bring in some British English back, yeah?
I can think of 16 things, but I can think of 6 thick things too.
Oh, that's cool.
I got it.
I can think of 16 things, but I can think of 16 things too.
Yeah.
That was wrong. Obviously wrong. So I think that's a wrap from us, guys. We hope you guys enjoyed
today's video, and also you can. We're gonna drop like the writings down in the video, so you can also try along with us and see how well you can say some of these things.
I know we're horrible, but you guys
maybe you can do better.
Yeah,
right?
you can also do yours, and if you can actually, like, it would be cool if you can actually try it and send it to our Instagram page. We'll post it, like,
that's true.
So if you can try yours, like, just 10 seconds, 15, 30 seconds, we'll repost it. Yeah, we'll also repost it.
We'll repost it
on our page.
For you guys.
Yeah, so thank you very much. We hope you guys enjoyed it.
Yeah, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please, what are you waiting for?
We're about getting to 1K, please.
Yeah, that's true. We're close to 1K, guys.
Please.
So
just
please
hit the button, bro.
Subscribe to our channel, share our videos, like our videos, comment below, video suggestions, what you want to know about us. Very soon we're going to be doing a Q&A video. So please follow us on Instagram, because we're going to be asking the question on Instagram. So please follow us on Instagram, like our videos. We love you. See you in the next one.
Chop, chop.
Bye.